Maybe love is not about finding the perfect person. It's about learning to see an imperfect person perfectly.
Oh, wow.
Maybe the best kind of love is the kind you can sit on a sofa together and never say a word, and then walk away feeling like it was the best conversation you've ever had.
Right, we're gonna do it. Yeah?
Oh!
Let me see. Oh, beautiful.
Anyone who knows Amanda and Liam and has seen them together will know how much in love and well suited they are. And if you haven't, I can tell you that you only need to be in their company for a few minutes to realise that they are best friends as well as soulmates.
Amanda, seeing you walk down the aisle this afternoon made me appreciate how truly lucky I am.
Liam, I join my life with yours today. Without hesitation, take this ring, and with it my commitment to be the best wife I can be.
Amanda, you look absolutely stunning today.
Amanda, I join my life with yours today. Without hesitation, take this ring, and with it my commitment to be the best husband I can be. I, Liam Alexander Dixon, sincerely declare that I accept you, Amanda Jane Borthwick, as my lawfully wedded wife.
I, Amanda Jane Borthwick, sincerely declare that I accept you, Liam Alexander Dixon, as my lawfully wedded husband.
Spell that?
Yeah.
Lawfully? Yeah.
Lawfully.
Amanda and Liam, as you now both drink from the quaich, we wish you joy and fulfilment in the years to come.
That's very nice.
First and foremost, Amanda, you look absolutely beautiful today, and I feel blessed to be able to stand here and call you my wife.
I never imagined what kind of woman Liam would settle down with, but I can genuinely say that I can't think of a better match for him, nor a better match for our family. Amanda, your patience to put up with us has been commendable. Long may it continue.
I love you with all my heart, and I can't wait to spend forever with you.
Hip hip!